that we make enough money to make sure we claim what we lost. So recently, 2 days back, I received a message from one of the beautiful app for land friends. We talked about it last year on our sister channel, that is Immaculate Show. It's all about how to make money by solving problems, by solving challenges, by making surveys. It's not as that simple and it's not very hard. So we'll be talking about it today and in details. This is for somebody out there who says, we want to use our brain, we want to crack the best ideas and sell them to the world. You don't need to go out of your house to do this. You need to sit on your laptop, on your PC, on your Android and iPhone and make this money. We are talking about thousands of dollars when you solve these problems. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that said enough is enough. I can't sit on a round table with poverty. We hate poverty. Poverty is a bastard. And with the love of God, since he said all riches are his, we know we can hunt, we can plan, and we can execute. Let's talk about Mindsumo.com. Mindsumo.com is one of the crowdsourcing platform that most companies are using. Most companies and big companies are using to get their challenges solved. Most companies put up their challenges. They want the best ideas, and whoever gives best ideas are rewarded. What are these companies we are talking about? We are talking about Peps, we are talking about Mandelzi, we are talking about General Wills. These are clients of Mindsumo.com. How do you access Mindsumo.com? I know you're going to ask that. You access it's very simple. Go to your app, go to your PC, go to your tablet and type Mindsumo.com. When you type Mindsumo.com, it will take you to this platform as you can see it on the screen. If you want to register, you log in immediately. Before we go that, let me show you some of the witnesses, some of the testimonies, the people who have been doing these challenges, what they talk about. You can see them on the screen as they roll. Most individuals have really invested their ideas and they have gotten enough money. You're going to tell me how sure that my idea is going to be best. Do I know? It doesn't mean you need to have learned English, you need to have learned surveys, research, and other things. However much you're an learned friend, you can also go to some of the apps that we have, like ChatGPT, and get ideas, but don't post them direct. Make sure you edit for you not to be disqualified because they know. So now, as you've seen all these witnesses, people are talking about how they have been with Mindsumo.com. How do we go about it? After you registering, after you signing in, what do? There are 4 steps. The first step we should know, it's 1, Mindsumo.com launches these challenges. They are called challenges. A challenge is like, for example, how do we make cultures come together? Challenges, you can see them on the screen, how they put them there. Challenges are like survey questions. They want to really get the best answers and are implemented. So the first, when they are launched, problem solvers. Who are problem solvers? It's you and me. The people who says, let's get these millions of dollars. They go and solve these ideas by submitting their best answers. When you submit your best answer, the challenges are reviewed. That is the third journey of on Mindsumo.com. When they are reviewed, the best views or ideas are picked. When the best view ideas are picked, they are rewarded. I told you, and you can see on the screen, all these challenges have a price tag. and it is in dollars. They reward from the first best to the third. So can't you be a monk? Yes, you can be a monk. Guys, can you allow me to say thank you to everybody that has been a subscriber and a royal friend, a person that comes back on Immaculate Show, a person that comes back on Learn to Earn Center, that is financial freedom. Thank you very much. We really honor you. We love you so much. We give you honor because it's reality and it was not bought, but you just gave us, and you're worthy to be really thanked and to be really honored. Thank you very much. And for you who is a new subscriber and you feel, no, this is my press, this is my home to be in, kindly hit the subscription button. You can also go ahead and hit the notification bell for you to be notified when we come live or when we upload. Don't forget, we have different programs, but this program, it is always on Learn to Earn Center alone. And you can also visit us on Immaculate Show, which sponsors this program on a weekly basis. Visit Immaculate Show, it has a lot of programs. So let's continue and see. After you being rewarded, what next? You have the capacity to come over and over and solve these challenges. They don't have a limit. They don't have restrictions. They are there the way you see them. Let's take a small look on what this Mindsumo.com is and its journey. Mindsumo.com has rewarded around $1.3 million to its problem solvers so far. And at the same time, it has launched 13,000 plus challenges. Can you imagine that? Since it started, 13,000 million challenges since it started. And don't forget, 200 and plus countries are active in this Mindsumo.com. So can you put your country to be part of this? Yes, you can. Can we continue and see exactly these challenges, how they are? Let's go through, see through. You can go with me on the screen. You see, can you do it? Yes, you can do it. This is for somebody who has been saying, you people you're bringing for us surveys which are only giving $1, $0.0002, $7, $1. So we are not ready to buy a Ferrari or to get something of our dream. No, this one, it is for you. Crack your head, put the idea, and take the money. The method of payment is very simple. It's there. What I encourage you, all of you, guys, learn to read, learn to discuss, learn to discover more when something is dropped on the line. Thank you very much. It has been very good. You know, January to some people is too hot, and to some people it's very sweet. So guys, as enjoy the new year, let's make money. If you've been blessed by this video, please go down and hit the subscription button. Let us know what is your mind in the comment section. Let us know what else do you want us to talk about as far as money making offline and online is concerned. It has been very beautiful to be with you. Let's meet next time. Peace out.